Welcome to the guided tour of the Timber Earthquake Demonstration Building, side and inside the building, to point out certain retrofits that can be made to improve its earthquake readiness. Our first stop will be the chimney. Chimneys can crack and fall during and after an earthquake, making persons standing nearby in danger of bricks falling from the roof. You should add a retrofit that wraps around the chimney to brace it from falling. Scattering books about. This heavy unit is also very dangerous to patrons standing or sitting nearby. To retrofit the bookcase, brace it to the wall. Water heaters may also pose a threat. During an earthquake, this device may tip over, breaking off from the pipes that are attached to it. Broken pipes may spill water, causing flooding, or even leak gas that could cause explosions. It is important to retrofit the water heater. Timber buildings normally rest on top of a foundation. If they are not retrofitted and tied down, these buildings can easily shake and fall off the foundation. The foundation may be retrofitted as shown.